going to be making chocolate Jamaican rounds. So the ingredients you'll be needing is caster sugar, cake flour, coconut cream, unsalted butter, almond essence, sprinkles, milk chocolate and lime. So firstly, you will be needing to preheat the oven to 180 degrees. So next you will be needing to line the baking tray with baking paper. So now I am going to be lining up the baking tray with baking paper. So this is how it will look when you line it up with the baking paper. So now you will be putting in 100 grams of butter and 90 grams of caster sugar. And mix it together until it's fluffy and creamy. I'm busy stirring and wait until it's creamy and fluffy and all mixed together. Now we are scraping off the lime zest, and if you are a kid, please make sure an adult is helping you. So now I'm going to be putting in a teaspoon of almond essence. Now I'm going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. So now I'm going to be melting the chocolate, but because we only have blocks, I'm going to be showing you how to melt them. So first you are going to be putting boiling water under there, and then put another plate on top and put the chocolates inside so it doesn't burn the chocolates. So now you will be putting in 2 teaspoons of grated lime zest. So now I am going to be putting in a cup of cake flour. And now I'm going to be mixing it. So after it has been melted, it should look like this. So this is a nice trick to know, because then the dough won't stick to your hand. You should add cooking spray to your hands.
And now?
And now I am going to be mixing it with my hands. So now I am getting it all together so I can make one big ball, and then I am going to make tiny balls. So as you can see now, you must mix it all together until it's one ball and one color. So now I'm going to be mixing my dough into little balls. You must make sure that you use 3 teaspoons into little balls. So this is how it'll look when you pat it down and put it on the tray. It should be nice and flat. So this is how it'll look after you finish. So I rolled it into a ball, and now I'm just gonna pat it down with some flour. And now I am going to squash it just like that and put it on the tray. Now I am going to be putting the cookies in the oven until golden brown for 20 minutes. Now we wait 20 minutes.
Okay.
While we're waiting for the cookies to bake, we need to make the icing. So the ingredients will be chocolate and butter. Now I am going to be breaking up the chocolates. To make the icing, also known as frosting, you must put the butter into the chocolates. With an adult's help, we need to place this on the boiling water like earlier.
Okay.
Now that we've took the melted chocolate off the stove, I'm going to be adding almond essence and coconut cream to it. It should be nice and runny after you add those ingredients. This is how it should look after you take it out of the oven, nice and golden brown, with the mostly dark brown around the edges. Now I am going to glaze my biscuits, and what glaze means, it means spread your biscuits with a very thinly layer of icing. Now that I'm done glazing, I'm going to do the most fun part, which is sprinkling. So now I am done sprinkling them, and now it's time for the taste test. Now I am going to be introducing my friend and my brother. This is my friend Hopper. He's going to do the taste test with me. And my brother Ken. And here's our dog Balti.
Wait, give us your verdict.
Oh no. Kent.
Can't drop it. Okay.
Slippery.
5-second rule.
This is so good.
So my friend says it's good. Let me try.
I would rather eat just the biscuit.
That's actually pretty good. Thank you for coming to my video. And let's try to get this video to 100 likes. Bye. See you next time.